It's time to completely rethink what you know about artificial intelligence. AI is going to fundamentally change the way that we work, but automation alone can't completely replace people in the world of work. Here's why. Now, imagine the skills that you use in your job every day. It's probably a mixture of skills, from solving problems to mundane data entry. Now imagine all of those skills as different colours of building block. The yellow building blocks are where you're having a conversation and collaborating with other people. The blue blocks are reading and understanding content like emails. The black blocks are where you're following rules and typing. The brown blocks are where you're using your experience and knowledge to solve problems. And the pink blocks are the most human. It's where you're empathizing with other people. The green blocks are where you're solving novel problems and being creative. And the red, that's when you're writing long-form text. When you work with your colleagues to deliver a service, you can use building blocks to visualize how different skills come into play, regardless of who's doing them. Technologies like robotic process automation, known as RPA, machine learning and natural language processing are already changing how we work. But every single one of the skills that we've just mentioned will be automated with a different technology that'll be available to your business at a different time and will be from a different vendor. And they're all called AI. So AI is not just one thing or one technology. Let's look at an example. A simple process of answering a customer query could involve lots of different building blocks. Someone emails the bank, querying their latest bank statement. The process starts with blue bricks to read and understand the email, and black bricks to assign the work. As the process gets more complicated, more colours are tagged on. The bank has to validate the customer's details and request more information before proceeding. Let's say the process gets delayed and the customer gets frustrated, requiring more pink, yellow and green blocks that rely on the most intrinsic human skills of empathizing and problem solving. Anything black that's rules driven could probably easily be automated with RPA. However, if the bank wants to introduce RPA or any other AI within the process, it's not as simple as just replacing those blocks, as they're intrinsically linked. And if you try to unpick the process block by block, it falls apart. That's where service orchestration comes in. It's like the building block base plate. It manages the end-to-end process, creating seamless handoffs between people and technology. Orchestration shows you what skills are in play in your organization. As you become aware of new tech, you can plug and play through orchestration. AI will break down the traditional ways of thinking about our jobs, but it can't replace us entirely. Jobs will have to be broken down and rebuilt to focus on individual skills and competencies, whether you're a human or an AI technology. Jobs as we know them will be a thing of the past, but human skills will always be irreplaceable.